I asked why you keep all those dead batteries at your house. You said that you don't know how to throw them out, so you put them in an old Trader Joe's bag and stuff them with the bills and the tickets under your bed. I get it, wanting to forget about the shit that you don't know how to deal with. Photoshop and TikTok, they don't make the wheels spin. We're so fucking abstract, but we can't do real shit. I guess my dead batteries are daddy issues and social miscues and two-piece swimsuits and having to choose between the infinite options. There's 6 million answers to 99 problems. God, it's overwhelming, and everyone's filming. The tea keeps on spilling. If all of our data's in the cloud, what's gonna happen when it rains? Will our bank accounts pour down the sewer drains? Will the side streets flood with our maiden names? It's hailing credit cards, that's quite a climate change. Woo! Is anybody here? 'Cause on the internet it's never really clear, but at least I got me and you and all our dead batteries too.